Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. So, we have completed our syllabus, and from today, we will start revision. And today, we will revise block 17, India's Neighbors. Be ready with all your essentials and keep your volume 3 with you. Keep your notebook and content book. Now, let's revise. First, you need to read the whole block and you need to answer my questions. Okay? Read block 17, pause the video, take your time, come back again, and we will discuss about this block. Okay, I hope you have completed. Now, here is some writing work for you. You need to write one feature, capital, city, and currency of each countries like Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. These are our neighboring countries of India. Next question is how Bangladesh and Pakistan are historically linked with India. How Nepal, China, and Bhutan are historically linked with India. And next question is how Myanmar and Sri Lanka are historically linked. After reading the topic, you need to answer these questions. Then we will discuss. Okay? So, physical features. These are neighboring countries of India, and where India is located? India is located in South Asia. India has several neighbors, and we will discuss the physical feature, capital, city, and currency of each state, each country. So, physical feature of Pakistan, river Indus is located here. So, when river is located, so there will be fertile plains, and mountains are located in the north, and E come after D. So, desert is located in the east. Capital city is Islamabad. Currency is Pakistani rupee. China. Yangtze River forms fertile plains, and Gobi Desert and Tibetan Plateau are in China. Capital city is Beijing. Currency in renminbi. Nepal. The Himalaya is located in Nepal. Deep valleys, many mountain rivers, the Terai region in the south. Capital city is Kathmandu and currency is Nepalese rupee. Bhutan, mostly mountainous, the Terai region in the south. Capital city Thimphu, currency Galtram. And Myanmar, mountains, hills and rivers originating from here, coastal regions and deltas. Naypyidaw is the capital city and Kyat is currency. Bangladesh, huge fertile lands formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, a huge delta and coastline. Capital city is Dhaka and currency is Taka. Sri Lanka, a tropical island with rich vegetation, many beaches and hill areas in the southwestern part of the country. And capital city, Colombo. It is written Colombo here, but right now capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardhanepuram and currency is Sri Lankan rupee. Now next questions. Question that how Bangladesh and Pakistan are historically linked with India. So, how they are historically linked with India and where Bangladesh located? Bangladesh is located to the east of India and Pakistan is situated to the northwest of India. And how they are linked with India? So, until 1947, India and Pakistan were one country. So they share monuments and archaeological remains of history. These are common between India and Pakistan. Which archaeological remains and monuments are common between them? Like the ruins of the Harappan civilization and the University of Taxila, the birthplace of Guru Nanak, Nankana Sahib, and some monuments from Mughal times are in Pakistan. but they belongs to India. So these are common between India and Pakistan, and in this way it is historically linked with India. And what about Bangladesh? Like Pakistan, Bangladesh was also a part of India until 1947, but in 1947 it became the eastern part of Pakistan but separated from it in 1971. And Bengali is spoken both in West Bengal in India and Bangladesh. Some Bengali speaking region are India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. Now let's discuss next question, how Nepal, China and Bhutan are historically linked with India. So Nepal, China and Bhutan are located to the northeast of India and also have historical links with India, like Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini in Nepal and he preached in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh in India. Many Nepalese people have been working in India for many years. Many Nepalese people do job in India. In this way, it is connected with India. And some Nepalis are part of the Indian army under the Gorkha regiment. China. Centuries ago, two travelers from China, Fahian and Huinsang, visited India to learn more about Buddhism. Fahian and Huinsang. And one of the world's largest Buddha statue is in China. Next, Bhutan. Most of the Bhutanese people follow Buddhism. In this way, India and Bhutan are connected because Buddhism is also related to India and most of the Bhutanese people follow Buddhism. And a Buddhist saint from India, Padmasambhava, visited India in 8th century to preach Buddhism. And people practice Buddhism in parts of Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Ladakh in India. And some pictures are given in your book, page number 4. One of the world's largest Buddha statues is in China, and Buddhist monastery at Paro, Bhutan. Monastery is a place where monks live together. And Pashupatinath temple is in Kathmandu in Nepal. Buddha's birthplace, Lumbini, is in Nepal. Next, how Myanmar and Sri Lanka are historically linked. And where Myanmar is located? Myanmar is located to the far east of India and Sri Lanka lies to the south of India. They too have historically links. And see the pictures of buildings made by Britishers in page number 4. Bombay High Court made by the British in Mumbai, India. Government House made by the British in Yangon, Myanmar. Old British style cathedral made by the British in Sri Lanka. So how they are connected? What was the earlier name of Myanmar? Myanmar was earlier known as Burma, and they both were under the British rule and ruled from Calcutta. They were controlled by the British from Calcutta. And now Calcutta is known as Kolkata. Okay, new name of Calcutta is Kolkata. And Emperor Ashoka's children. Here you can see flag of Myanmar. Myanmar was earlier known as Burma. And it has had connections with India since ancient times through trade and Buddhism. Most of the people in Myanmar follow Buddhism. And they both were controlled by the Britishers from Calcutta, present day Kolkata. And Emperor Ashoka's children took the Buddhist teachings to Sri Lanka, and a tooth relic of the Buddha is kept in a temple at Kandy in Sri Lanka. Many Tamilians from India were sent to Sri Lanka by the British to work on their tea plantations. And did you know of this blog? India helped Bangladesh achieve freedom from Pakistan in 1971. India had sent troops and weapons to Bangladesh and helped it in its struggle for independence. Check out the glossary also, and if you have any doubt, please ask first. Read the blog, then answer the questions, and then discuss with me. Okay? What is kept in a temple at Kandy in Sri Lanka? A tooth relic of the Buddha. So we will revise block 18 tomorrow. Read the block thoroughly. Take care everyone. God bless.